Hey guys, it's Lydia here from LE 3D Printing, and today we're going to be doing something different. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my awesome new cruiser board and penny board. So let's get started. Alright guys, so if you do not know, a while back, about a year ago or two, I actually made my own longboard right over here. It is a very nice longboard and I'm very happy with it. But I'm going on some trips this summer and I wanted to make something that is very portable and smaller, and I definitely like the concept of a longboard. So I decided to actually make a cruiser board. So I actually did have trial and error. The first board is my penny board, which was actually supposed to be the only cruiser board, but because I did mess up, I didn't want to waste the material, so I just made a smaller board out of that, and then made my final cruiser board. And I think they both turned out really awesome, and I enjoy how they look, and I think they look really cool. So this isn't going to be a tutorial video. This is going to be another time-lapse video of all my work that I've done on these, and then I'll talk about more of them when we're done. When you're done watching the time-lapse videos. I think they turned out cool, and the videos are definitely interesting. So I'll see you guys in a little bit after the videos, and then we can talk more about these boards. Alright, so welcome back. So first I'm going to talk about my cruiser board. So this is the bottom design. I did design this myself. I got some inspiration off of Google, but it is all my own design, and I really like how it turned out. The paint color is awesome. It is a custom paint color I made. And these trucks actually came from Amazon, including the wheels. I did originally get black wheels with these trucks, but those are on the penny board, as you will see later, just because it all looks a lot better that way. And I cleaned up the bearings in these wheels. They weren't the greatest, and now they're actually very nice and smooth spinning. And now these trucks are actually skateboard trucks. They are not longboard or pennyboard trucks. They're cheap and they work great for this project. So if you are interested in making a little cruiser board, definitely use some of these skateboard trucks, and I will leave a link to them in the description below, along with the wheels and everything else I used. And then I just got this grip tape from Amazon also, and I did my own custom design. Again, I got inspiration off of Google. I didn't want to put full grip tape on this because I thought this design looked cool. And yeah, so that is it for this cruiser board. I will be posting a lot more photos of this and me riding it this summer on my LE3D printing Instagram, and definitely don't forget to follow me on both of those down in the description below. So that is it for this board. Now let's check out the first penny board. So this is our penny board. So again, this was a kind of mess up board for the beginning, but again, I didn't want to throw it away because it kind of looked cool, and I already had the materials to make another board, besides buying a couple more wheels. But this is the penny board, and I think the design looked cool. As you saw in the time-lapse videos, these two black parts were actually clear, but I did mess up on the wheel orientation. They were crooked, so when I first rode it, it did not go straight. So I had to fill those holes with sawdust and glue and repaint them and re-drill them so that everything is straight. So I put black on the tips, the top and bottom, which I think looks really cool, gives it to more character. And this is my design for the paint job. And then turning it around, it's the opposite paint job, so the purple's on the inside instead of the outside here. And I think that looks really cool. And I also put my logo up here with some vinyl stick. And I coated both of these boards very, very many times with some wood coat, which will waterproof it, which will make it last a lot longer. And these wheels I got off of Amazon. Also, these were the ones that actually came with the first trucks, and these trucks were just off of an old skateboard, which gave me the idea to just use skateboard trucks because they were cheaper and they looked a lot better for these. And I really didn't want to buy new trucks when I had these instead of buying the pennyboard trucks. So I had a lot of fun making both of these boards. I will hopefully be riding both of them this summer, and maybe even taking this board to Seattle with me for my brother's wedding I'm going to, traveling to, and I'm also going there in May too, so there will be a delay of some videos. I just wanted to let you guys know that. This summer is very busy for me with softball and also with just family stuff because it is summertime. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let me know and ask them down in the comments below. I know this wasn't a tutorial video, but I really hope you enjoyed it and enjoyed all my designs. And I hope you guys enjoyed just watching me step by step use my mind and use my creation to make these cool boards. I hope I inspired you to do this. And if you do make a board like this, please let me know and tag me in it and share it with me on all of my social medias. Again, they will all be down in the description below. I hope you guys have enjoyed every single week me posting on Fridays. I've had a lot of fun making these videos for you, and I hope you learn something new every time you watch a video of mine. So that is going to be it for today. Again, I hope you enjoyed the video. So that is it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.